Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a recipe for low carb green vegetable stir fry using these ingredients and a few more along the way. And as always, I've written the full blog post, which I'll leave down below, which you can click through to pin, bookmark and save for whenever you want to make this recipe. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos and comment to let me know if you give this recipe a try. So today we've got pak choy over here, but you could use bok choy instead. You can really use any green veggies you like in this green veggie stir fry, but this is my choice for today. We've got some sugar snap peas and I've got some broccolini under there. You can use whole broccoli if you want, but I've got these big beautiful broccolini that are just perfect in a green veggie stir fry. And the really important thing when you're doing a stir fry, when you're making a stir fry, is to get all your veggies prepared beforehand. So I'm going to get on and chop everything and prepare it, wash it, get it all organized so that when we start cooking it's going to go really quickly and easily. Starting with the sugar snap peas, I've washed them and chopped the little ends off, and we'll just move on and chop all the rest of the veg. And for the broccolini, I've broken it down into smaller little stalks. I'm not using all of it, I'm probably using half that was on the plate before. I've just taken all the little leaves off and just sliced it into smaller pieces like this. This is my little leftovers to use for another meal. So I'm about to chop up the pak choy. I have half of it here and the other half I'm going to save this for another recipe to use later on in the week, but for today we're using all of these veggies in the pak choy. For myself and my husband, I feel that that'll be enough. And we're going to also use a couple of cloves of garlic because I love everything a bit garlicky. So the pak choy is all sliced up. I just went through and sliced it into pieces, and I've chopped up very roughly a couple of cloves of garlic as well. So we've got all our veggies prepared, and now I've got a frying pan. You can use a wok if you like, with some olive oil heating up, and once it's nice and hot, we will start cooking. And also these are the two sauces I'm going to use along the way. We've got gluten-free soy sauce, tamari I'm going to use, and sesame oil, which I will add a little later on through the cooking process. We'll just start getting everything cooked down and then we'll add that for flavor. You could also add ginger as well if you want. Ginger and garlic go beautifully in this recipe. I'm just sticking to garlic only because that is what I like. I've actually popped 2 tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, into my frying pan. I've got the garlic starting to just become fragrant. I'll give it a minute or two to cook and then we'll start adding more veg. Garlic is sizzling, it's getting a little bit of color, so we're going to add in the broccolini. Give it a nice toss through to get all the flavor. And then we'll add in the sugar snap peas. So we'll move the broccoli to the side and we'll pour in the sugar snap peas, give them a toss through, and next add the bok choy. It's been cooking a minute or two, vibrant, fragrant. Now we'll add in the pak choy, not bok choy, I got confused before. And it's smelling, looking pretty incredible. I'm going to add on now my sesame oil. I've got a teaspoon of sesame oil and a tablespoon of my tamari soy sauce going on. Sesame oil going over, and give it a toss through. And then a tablespoon of the soy sauce. And then just cook it, toss around, and you can add a bit more soy sauce if you want. Sesame oil, I prefer to err on the side of caution and do less. You can always add more later. And so yeah, we'll just cook it until all the veggies are done. It hasn't taken long at all and it's almost done. I'll just give it another minute or so for all those veggies to soften, and then we'll move it off the heat. And it's done, and you can enjoy this with cauliflower rice, zucchini noodles, or if you're into carbs you can have rice, noodles, whatever you like. It makes a whole meal that I'm quite happy just enjoying it by the bowl full. Those broccolini are almost like noodles in themselves, and you can, if you want to make it also a whole meal, you can add some nuts to it. You could add some sesame seeds, or I'm going to add a handful of cashews. I've got these lovely organic cashews here, and I'm going to add a handful to that. Just like that. So we've got a lovely little portion of protein along with all of our greens, and it's just such a tasty low carb vegetarian green vegetable stir fry. And that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know if you give this stir fry a try and what your favorite stir fry ingredients are. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.